Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to make caramelized almonds with sesame seed. So this caramelized almond is super tasty and it's a great option for kids, which is full of proteins and it tastes very yummy. You can make it for any special festival time or also just as a snack, evening snack for the children. See how nice and glazed it looks, these almonds and sesame seed caramelized. So it's super yummy friends, and it's very easy to make. You must make it and surprise everyone because it's so simple yet tasty. So now I am going to put a pan in the gas, and then here I have taken 200 grams of almonds which I am going to dry roast. So because almonds are little raw and it's not so crispy, so I want my almonds to be crispy, so I'm just dry roasting it in the pan without any oil, ghee or anything, just dry roast. So I'm going to dry roast until it changes color and it becomes it's changing its color and it's going to be more dark golden brown. So I approximately dry roast is for 10 to 15 minutes. See, once you keep dry roasting it, it is going to give little bit of nice aroma, and then you see it gets to little get burn on the skin, and also it gets crack. You can see my almonds are getting cracked. That means it has been dry roasted very nicely. Look how nicely it got cracked. So the almonds are roasted nicely. So now the almonds are roasted, so I am going to take it out in a bowl. So friends, please do make this almond because it is very healthy, full of protein and a great option for snacks. So here I am going to put little bit of butter, like 10 grams of butter, and once the butter is melted, I am going to add here 1 cup of jaggery. So you may not add butter, but I am adding the butter so that it will give a nice flavor to my caramelized almond. So once the butter melted, I am going to add here 1 cup of jaggery, powdered jaggery, and I am going to melt the jaggery very nicely with the butter. So keep on stirring, and then until it's get I did not add any water, so no water is required. So I kept on stirring it, and see, the jaggery and the butter got melted very nicely. So again, it's not yet done, because once it is done, you will see that it will start giving up bubbles. So keep on stirring for 10 to 15 minutes. See now friends, slowly the bubbles have started coming in the jaggery and the butter mixture. So it has been nicely caramelized, the jaggery. So you can understand by seeing these bubbles have come out. So now friends, I am going to add, as it is done, the mixture is perfectly ready. So I am going to add those roasted almonds. So after I am going to add the almonds, I am going to mix very nicely friends. See, you mix all over the almonds. So see how nice it is looking. And then once it is done friends, I am going to add here 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So what will happen, the cinnamon powder will give a nice flavor to my caramelized almond. So you can skip if you do not have almond powder, cinnamon powder, but I do like cinnamon if whenever I make any sweet dish, because I like the flavor of the cinnamon. So it has been mixed nicely friends. See, now I am going to set it up in a plate. So I am going to take out this. I switched off the gas, so it has cooled down little bit. So now I am going to set it on this plate very nicely. Friends, just look how nice it is looking, this almonds. So now I am going to spread it and make it flatten very nicely. Look, I'm going to flatten it. And then friends, I am going to add here sesame seeds. So friends, the sesame seed is very good for our health. It has lot of calcium in it, so it's good for women, it's good for children, as it makes our bones strong. So I set it in the fridge for 10 like half an hour. So after I kept it in the fridge, see friends how nicely it is done.